Have you ever felt like giving up? Like the world was too heavy, like the dream was too far, like your effort wasn't enough? Good, because that's when the real fight begins. That's when average people quit. But you were never born to be average. You have a fire inside you, a storm they can't predict, a spirit they can't break, and a heart that beats with purpose. The world will doubt you. They'll point fingers. They'll laugh at your failures, but they'll never understand your grind, your hunger, your why. You've come too far to quit now. You've bled, you've cried, you've sacrificed. You've got scars that tell stories of courage, of persistence, of war, and you're still standing. So no, this is not the end. This is the beginning of your rise. Because winners don't stop when they're tired. They stop when they're done. You are not finished. You are just getting